Everyone, I now will study about the mobile forensics. Okay, for notes you can join this community. Okay, then mobile forensics. So we'll cover the complete part here, except this portion of C, the attacks on WEP and WPA, because this I have already covered in my previous lecture. Okay, so now first topic is introduction to mobile technologies. So the first technology is asynchronous transfer mode. So what is this? So this is an international telecommunication union standard which was designed for efficient call relay. Okay, so it transmits various services types including data, video, and voice using small fixed size packets called cells. And in ATM, each cell have 53 bytes, and which consist of 5 byte header and 48 byte payload. Okay, so here format of this ATM, UNI header and NI header. So UNI header basically used in private networks, and NI header used for communication between ATM switches. So it includes virtual path identifier which occupy the 12 bits. Okay. Now the working of this ATM you can study by your own. And then second one is wireless application protocol, WAP. So basically it enables the internet access on mobile devices using micro browsers. Okay, for that like we can see in a mini browsers, and it also uses the wireless markup language instead of HTML. Then it also uses some layers like application layer, session layer, translation layer, security layer, and transportation layer. Okay, like these layers are quite similar to OSI model layers. Then advantages you can study by your own. Then some cellular technologies. So first one is advanced mobile system, AMPS. So this is the first analog cellular system used in North America, and it uses the FDMA, frequency division multiple access, for communication over cellular networks. Okay, then I mode is basically internet mode, and it was first popular in Japan, and it provides the internet access, email, and other data services on mobile phones. Then TDMA is time division multiple access. So basically this is a digital cellular technology that divides the radio frequencies into some time slots, and user can see the content according to different time slots, okay, or different time zones. Then code division multiple access, CDMA. Basically it is also a technology that allows multiple users to share the same frequency band, okay, on the same signals. Then GSM is global system for mobile communication. Basically it is a digital cellular net technology, and it provides the voice and data services, and also uses the TDMA for communication. Okay, so this is GSM is the latest one. Then about the SIM. So what is the full form of SIM? SIM is subscriber identity module, and it is the small card which is having a unique identification number, and also it used to authenticate a subscriber on a mobile networks. And guys, by mistake I have written here IMEI. IMEI is used in like we can get this number in mobile phones, not in SIM. SIM only we can get IMSI number, that is International Mobile Subscriber Identity. So for like data we can get from the SIM cards, that is SPN. We can see the SPN written over the SIM cards, and that is service provider name. And second one is ICCID number, that is integrated circuit card identification number, like it is of 19 to 20 digits long number written over the SIM cards. Okay, then contact details, after the extraction we can get contact details, call logs, and IMSI number from SIM cards. Okay, then I hope you already know the function of Bluetooth. Okay, and also you can study this. So you can see the way SIM card generations written here. Then mobile operating systems. So we have three kind of mobile operating system: Android, iOS, and Windows. So Android basically developed by the Google, and it is an open source operating system used on smartphones and tablets. Okay, then iOS is developed by Apple, and it is a proprietary operating software which run over the iPad and iPhones. Okay, then Windows Phone have the mobile operating system developed by Microsoft, but it has been stopped in 2019. Okay, now let's understand the term freaking. Freaking is basically a term coined to describe the like manipulation and exploitation of telephone systems, or we can say the manipulation of phone networks for personal gain. And attackers can unauthorized get and attackers can get unauthorized access to these networks for their personal gain, okay, or to make free calls, okay. So this term is basically originated in 1970s, okay. So origin is also written here, you can study it. And tools and techniques for this freaking term is also written here. So like what kind of tools they use to commit. Mhm. So what kind of tools they are using to commit this crime? Okay, so freaker basically use tone generators that are known as blue boxes and red boxes, okay, and software defined radios also. Okay guys, then let's see the call tampering. So call tampering is basically a cyber crime, in which cyber criminals use to manipulate or disrupt the ongoing calls. So either by sending the large amount of data or by just diverting the paths of calls. Okay. Then now let's understand the mobile forensics seizure and preservation. So first of all, guys, when you are visiting any crime scene, so the first responder have some duties, so such as isolating the device, so and see that devices of in airplane mode or powered off, okay, so that no modification of data occur. Then second one is document the scene, take the photographs and videos of the phone in its original condition, okay. And then secure the phone in a Faraday bag or shielded containers to prevent remote access, okay. Then label and seal the devices, and after the transport the devices to uh, after that, these are some more points written here, you can study this. Now the type of evidences which can present with the mobile phones, for example handset memory. So handset memory basically includes the data stored directly on the phone, such as messages, call logs, contacts, and photos, videos. So whatever the data is present and you are able to see the data, that a particular kind of data is known as handset memory, okay. Then second one you can get with the mobile phone, sim card. So sim card basically stores information related to subscriber identity and contacts and SMS messages, okay. Then external memory. External memory, for example, SD card. So if you don't know the full form of SD, so you should know the full form of SD card also, okay. So basically, this external memory allow users to have the expand storage using external memory cards. And these memory cards contain some pictures, videos, and files, okay. So now, mobile forensic investigation. Basically, whenever we are analyzing the mobile phones, so we have to go through these steps. So first one is manual examination, and then second one is logical extraction, then third one is file system, then physical extraction, and fifth one is chip off, and sixth one is micro read. So now let's understand these. So first one is manual extraction, means getting the data like which is visible to your eyes, okay. So you can do this screen capturing also through external camera and also with the help of some tools such as UFED, okay. Then next is logical extraction. So in logical extraction, we can get the data except deleted files. And in advanced logical, we can get some more data. The, logical extraction and advanced logical extraction basically similar, but in advanced logical, we can get the more files or more data. Okay. Then physical extraction basically. Physical extraction is like a bit by bit copy of the entire file system. So we can see the deleted data through physical extraction, okay. And also we can get the data from unallocated spaces. Then system extraction basically similar to logical extraction, but only direct access to internal memory, and we can see the all kind of files in it, okay. Then chip off basically when we remove the memory chip from the device circuit board, and then we are studying the data from memory chips, okay. So for that we can use tools such as UFID physical analyzer and XRY. Then micro read basically involve manually viewing and interpreting data directly from the memory chips, okay. And then here is the in logical you can see we can get the data such as SMS, MMS, phone logs, contacts, and media and applications. Media means picture, video, and files, okay. Then file system having SMS, MMS, phone logs, contacts, media, application data, and all kind of files such as hidden database and system and log files. Okay. Then physical extraction basically is the combination of logical and file system. Okay, so we can have the logical data and file system extracted data here, and with the extra data such as deleted data. Okay, so SMS, MMS, phone logs, contacts, and mobile media application data and all files, temporal data and deleted data we can recover through physical extraction. Okay, so now here are some tools written for mobile forensics. So I have made the different table for open source mobile forensic tool and for proprietary mobile forensic tool. So open mobile forensic tools are Select Kit, Autopsy, Mobile Verification Toolkit, Wireshark, Bitme, Team, then Mobile Edit. Okay, and the proprietary softwares are Celebrite, UFED, Oxygen, XRY, and ComMDNext, Parabin, and IXM. And you can see the description of these tools written here. Okay. So I hope this lecture is helpful for you guys, and I will share the notes for social media investigation also. Okay. So guys,